Welcome to One and All Present Year. I am Dakshin of Greaton. Today I am going to speak about one of the wonderful state in India named Goa. Goa is the state on southwestern coast of India within the Konkan region, geographically separated from the Deccan Highland by Western Ghats. It is India's smallest state by area and its fourth smallest by population. Goa has the highest GDP per capita among all Indian states, two and a half times as high as the GDP per capita of the country as a whole.
Capital city of Goa is Panaji. Panaji on the north central coast of mainland district. It became a part of India in 1962 and attained statehood in 1987. Area is 1429 square miles, that is 3702 square kilometers. Population in 2011 was 14,57,723. It is surrounded by the Indian state of Maharashtra to the north and Karnataka to east and south, with the Arabian Sea forming its western coast. Latitude and longitudinal location of Goa is 15.29 degree north, 74.12 degree east.
Pramod Sawant is an Indian politician who is 13th and current Chief Minister of Goa. Sawant represents the Sankulim constituency in the Goa Legislative Assembly and is the member of Bharatiya Janata Party. P.S. Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Goa. Congress would continue to be a main opposition party in Goa for the upcoming assembly elections. Congress is the main opposition party in the assembly. Leader of opposition party is Digambar Kamath. Yellow-throated bulbul is the state bird of Goa. Gaur is the state animal of Goa. Frangipani is the state flower of Goa. Dalo is the popular ritual folk dance from Goa. The dance is performed by women and serves as a prayer for protection for their household. Konkani language is spoken by some of 2.5 million people, mainly on the central west coast of India, where it is official language of Goa state. Mando is the folk music of Goa. It is delightful combination of Eastern and Western musical forms. It was performed by Catholics, Christians, and now it is usually performed in wedding celebrations. Traditional Goan attire. The attire of the tribal people in Goa comprises of a loincloth known as kasti, with a blanket wrapped around their shoulders. The women wearing traditional saris with a tied knot using their kumbi polo and have a very distinctive dressing style. The staple food of Goa is rice, fish curry, and most of the dishes like coconut, rice, fish, meat, and local spices like kokum. Goa is mostly dominated by seafood, which includes shark and some variety of fishes. This is a symbol of Goa. Goa people take their education quite seriously, so there are quite a large number of excellent educational institutions in Goa, which the state cannot boast of. The Goa University is premier center of learning. There are several professional colleges including engineering, polytechnic and IITs. There are approximately 2,153 schools in Goa, which include primary schools, middle schools, secondary schools, and higher secondary schools. Most of the schools in Goa are affiliated with the State Board of Education. The National Center of Polar and Ocean Research (NCPOR) was established as an autonomous research and development institution of Ministry of Earth Science. Government of India on 25th May 1998 in Goa.
Beautiful heritage site in Goa. Basilia of Bom Jesus, Sea Cathedral, Fort Aguada, Church of Francis of Assisi, Ramnath Temple, Holland Beach. Museums in Goa, Museum of Christian Art, Goa Chitra Museum, Goa State Museum. There are even more famous places in Goa. If you are visiting to Goa, don't forget to visit these places. This video will help you to know some more useful information about Goa. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Pick 'em up, let 'em drop. East side, 59 with the choppers out the